Welcome to my channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Zodiac sign Libra. Libra is the 7th sign of the zodiac, and it's at this point in the zodiac that we start to see a shift. While the first 6 signs of the zodiac focus on the individual, the last 6 focus on the individual's contact with others and with the world. Libras are first and foremost focused on others and how they relate to them. We can call this the sign of partnership. Libras are good when paired up, since they epitomize balance, harmony, and a sense of fair play. While they are true team players at work, their favorite partnership is at home, marriage. Libras feel most complete when they are coupled up with their lover, forever. It's the scales that symbolize Libra, and just like that balancing mechanism wants to stay even. Think of the scales of justice and how they work at striking the right balance. Likewise, Libras are objective, just, and want to do what's best for everyone. Libras abhor conflict, and they'd study every possible angle in the hopes of achieving peace and harmony, so much so that others may see them as fickle and indecisive. The Libra-born are keen strategists, organizing groups with poise and getting the job done. They're companionable, sociable folks. Libra is ruled by Venus. In ancient Roman mythology, Venus was a smooth seductress who was at her best amid pleasurable excess. Well, Libras are certainly carrying the torch for her today. The scales are cultured, refined, and love beautiful things. Most of all, they love beautiful people, which is why they're very sociable. Libras are so adept at charming conversation that they need to be mindful of overstepping their boundaries and appearing vain or gossipy. Love intrigue. Libras are artistic, stylish, and enjoy creating a beautiful world. The element associated with Libra is air, and that means reaching higher, specifically to the higher mind. Libras like to put their mind to good use, and enjoy communicating their thoughts to others. They like to use their smarts to get to know others better. You can expect the scales to make a fair argument, too, since they believe in diplomacy and compromise. Libras are polite and don't like to fight, far preferring to talk things through. Remember, these folks know how to communicate. Their air, so they're bound to make their point. Libras don't get in a huff when faced with an opposing viewpoint. Rather, they take a deep breath and consider all the options in the spirit of cooperation. Libras at play may not be as energized as at work. To them, socializing is work, and they need to have socializing component to sport as well. Libras love the outdoors, so riding and biking can also prove fun. Their colors are the sunset sky, ivory, pink, and light blue. In the game of love, Libras are a bundle of energy, romantic and loyal to the core. As for health, need look out for their lower backs, though, which tend to shoulder any burdens they may be carrying. Their great strength is their quest for fairness, peace, and harmony. Libras are the great diplomats of the zodiac, further help their case. A beautiful journey this will be, thanks to the Libra's inimitable sense of style.